What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to find your trading style. Now there are multiple different ways people like to trade, and there are multiple different ways that you can trade. There is scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. Now these are all different types of trading styles. If you are somebody who likes to get in and out the market very quick, or if you like to hold positions for days, sometimes weeks, there is specific trading methods for everybody. So on the screen right now you can see all the different types of trading methods. There is scalping, there is day trading, swing trading, and positional trading. Now I'm going to be giving you guys a quick overview of what each one is, just in case you're unfamiliar with these terms, and then I'll be going deeper into it later in the video. So scalping is short term if you're trading seconds or minutes. Day trading is also short term, but this is a 1 day maximum, and this could be a couple of hours trades or 30 minutes. Swing trading is short to medium term, so this could be several days or sometimes several weeks. And then positional trading is long term, weeks, months, and years. Now on the screen I've just put a different background so you guys can take a screenshot if you would like, because yeah, this is very useful to know if you did not know already. And I know some of you may have knew this information already, but yeah, and you might also be asking, why do you need to know this? Now when it comes to day trading, finding a strategy, and it always doesn't have to be one strategy, it could be multiple different strategies, but you need to be knowing what you are doing. And if you are used to trading 1 minute, getting in and out of the market, then and you are profitable doing that, then you should stick to doing that. You shouldn't be changing your strategy every couple of days because something isn't working. Now you could be using different strategies at the same time. For example, sometimes I like to get in and out the market really quick if I see a nice setup on the 1 minute chart, and other times I like to hold trades a bit longer if I'm looking at the 15 to 1 hour chart, for example. So it all depends what you are trying to trade, but you need to make sure you know the differences and you don't get mixed up, because this could also come into play with your risk to reward ratio. And I'm going to be going a bit more deeper into each specific trading style, and hopefully you'll be able to find which one you think will suit you the best. Now let's start with scalping. So scalping is a very rapid trading style. As you know, you get in and out of the market within minutes, sometimes seconds. So if you are quite an impatient person, or if you expect to make money right away and you're okay with losing, being in a loss quite quick, then being a scalper is for you. Let's say in the long run you really don't want to be at your computer all day, you just want to load up your computer, be in and out the market within 30 minutes, make 2 successful trades and then leave, then this could possibly be the trading strategy for you. As I said, impatient people or people that won't be able to hold the trades for a longer amount of time, this is definitely stuff that you should be looking into. And let's say, for example, you're used to play a lot of games and you've got quick reactions and you're very precise, because with scalping you have to be able to get the perfect entry and the perfect exit. Whereas if you are day trading or if you are swing trading, you don't have to get that sniper entry just as much as you need to with scalping. Now moving on to day trading, and this does not suit everybody as well, because with day trading you must be able to hold a trade for a not a very long time, but quite a long time. You must be willing to hold trades up to a day. Sometimes you might have to hold trades overnight, and I know some people just will not be able to do that. So have a think to yourself. If you think that you'll be able to enter into a position and then you're willing for it to go down a little and you're willing for it to go up, and you're not going to take your profit straight away, you're willing to wait 10, 20, 30 minutes, a couple of hours, or up to a day, then day trading is definitely for you. Now, this is personally what I like to use a lot. So if you're somebody who would want to take a trade and then maybe you want to go and do something with your day, carry on with your day, knowing that that trade is still playing out, and then you might come back later to that trade and it might be a loss, and that won't affect you a lot mentally. I know this can be very hard for some people. That's why some people like to stick with scalping, because they are in and out of the market very quickly. They know that as soon as they enter that trade, that a couple minutes later they will know whether that trade is a loss or a win. But yeah, as I said, day trading is personally what I like to use, day trading and swing trading. And I can easily sleep throughout the night knowing that I have an active trade and it won't affect me. But as I've said, if you think that is something that will affect you and you're not willing to hold trades into the night, or you're not willing to hold trades for a couple of hours, then day trading is not for you. But on the other hand, if you are willing to hold those trades a bit longer, if you're willing to get those bigger winners and a bit bigger losers, then day trading is definitely for you. Now, moving on to swing trading. So, swing trading is very good for people who are patient and don't want a quick profit. They're willing to wait and hold their trades overnight, or a long amount of time, and they don't get nervous. If this is something that sounds appealing to you, then definitely look into swing trading strategies. This is also a trading strategy I like to use as well as day trading, because I'm willing to be very patient. I'm willing to enter a trade and then carry on with my day and then come back to that trade, whether it be a winner or a loss, and carry on trading. Now, with swing trades, you need to be able to keep very calm, because once a trade is against you, you cannot just exit the trade, because going into a swing trade, you need to be able to be prepared that sometimes, because you're trading for a couple of hours, the trade might not go in your direction for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But if you wait out those 2, 3 hours, then the trade could easily reverse. And if you stick to your risk management strategy, then the trade could go profitable. Swing trading genuinely requires a larger stop loss, so that also means swing trading requires a larger take profit. So instead of swing trading and day trading, you might have very tight stop losses with a very tight take profit. With swing trading, you're going to have much bigger winners, but you're not trading as much. So if this sounds good, then definitely look into swing trading. If you're willing to wait hours or sometimes over a day, definitely going overnight, holding a trade, but at the end of it, you might get a big win, then this could be the trading strategy for you. And finally, we have positional trading. Now, I wouldn't necessarily call this a day trading strategy or a day trading style. I would more call this along the lines of investing. So let's just say you want to put some money in a crypto coin that you believe in, or you want to put some money into a stock, and you're willing to wait a very, very long time. You're not bothered if the price starts to go down a little bit in the short term. You are thinking about very long term. So for example, me, I bought a lot of Ethereum a couple months ago at the dip, and I know that was a positional trade. I don't mind if that went down in 3 to 6 months, as long as in the long run, 5 to 10 years time, the price is going up. That is when I'm looking to sell my position, or obviously if the price goes up a lot. But I don't think that'll happen anytime soon. So yeah, that is what positional trading is. If you just want to hold a position for a very long time, and you would just want to invest into a specific stock, crypto, or currency, something like that, and then that is what positional trading is. So there's not much to positional trading, but this is just very long-term positions. Thank you for watching this video. If you did help you, make sure to subscribe and follow me over Instagram. And if you want to contact me, just leave a comment or shoot me a message on Instagram. I reply to everybody.